What are you doing? 1, 2, 3, and up. 1, 2, 3, and up.
Try to do it again.
Do what again?
Nanny.
Nanny.
You have to finish what? Yeah.
Now we'll get dizzy. Dizzy babies.
See, I want flat down.
Woo! Woo!
Again, I'm glad to toe touchy, mommy.
Look, Bobo.
I see 2 little monkeys sitting in a chair.
Rock the babies, rock the babies, rock the babies, rock the babies.
Do you like it? You like this, buddy?
Okay, he's being bombarded. Oh, he wants to stay.
I get it down.
Sure. Scoot over. Scoot over. Okay. Here, put your feet over.
Bubble! Bubble!
Be careful, don't.
I get it. Swim. Want me to watch you?
Hello. Hey. I missed the arm of the chair and I went in the floor. It's not gone back off since that one time. It was off for about 20 minutes,
More than that, maybe.
half an hour maybe.
You like it?
And so it's been on
Hey,
ever since.
see?
We just got through dancing. We listened to
Gummy bear.
Quack Quack song,
And gummy bear.
Gummy Bears,
Nookie.
Nookie,
Snooki.
Beyonce. Yeah, okay, it's enough. We're gonna make them dizzy. And now they're in the rocker, and Grant was spinning Christian around. Both the boys are so sleepy they can't stand it, but
We sleepy do the bunny.
woo!
Oh.
What you been drinking, Grant? Are you drunk?
I see you.
And we've been dancing, and Grant's getting better with not being so scared or being up. When I do him real easy, and he does good. The kids like me to like flip them and stop. You're going too fast, and somebody's gonna get their toes hurt. They're going to. But anyways, we're having fun. We're waiting for the brownies to cool, and then we're gonna have a brownie.